Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve exercise 9b questions chapter 9 and chapter name is ratio proportion questions 1 to 5 of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com and join my telegram group. Link is in description box. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 9b questions 1 to 5. Chapter name is ratio and proportion. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1 and question number 1 is two numbers are in the ratio 11:7. If the smallest number is 700 then what is the larger number? Suppose the number is x तो दोनों नंबर होगा 11x and 7x. Two numbers will be 11x and 7x. If the smallest number is 700, that is smallest number here 11:7, the smallest number will be 7x equal to 700. ये दिया गया है 7x equal to 700. Now we have to solve the value for the variable x. अभी x का वैल्यू हमको निकालना है. तो हम इक्वेशन चैप्टर में डिस्कस किए थे कि हाउ टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन यूजिंग द ट्रांसपोज मेथड. यहाँ पे 7 मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है x के साथ 7x, तो 7 ट्रांसपोज होके राइट हैंड साइड में ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन में कन्वर्ट होगा. तो चेंज मल्टीप्लिकेशन टू डिवीजन, देन x विल बी 700 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 एंड 700 डिवाइड बाय 7 इज 100. x का वैल्यू निकला 100. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द लार्जर नंबर. व्हाट इज द लार्जर नंबर? सो लार्जर नंबर यहाँ पे है 11x. 11x विल बी 11 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 100. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू मिला है 100, तो 11x इज 11 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 100, दैट इज 1100. सो द लार्जर नंबर इज 1100. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is Amit and his sister's ages are in the ratio 5:4. If Amit is 45 years old, then how old is his sister? We have to find the Amit's sister's age. So here let the age is x. So Amit age will be 5x. Here Amit and his sister ages are in the ratio 5:4. So Amit का एज होगा 5x and his sister age will be 4x. 5:4, that is Amit age is 5x and his sister age is 4x. 5x and 4x. Amit age is 5x and his sister's age is 4x. If Amit is 45 years old, यहाँ पे अमित का एज दिया गया है 45 years. Given 5x is, so 5x अमित का एज है 5x, so 5x equal to 45 years. Now dividing both sides by 5. Here 5 multiplied with x, so we have to find the value for the variable x. So we have to divide by 5. 5x divided by 5. Then this 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So we have to divide 5x by 5. As we have to divide on left hand side, so we have to divide the same number on right hand side also. So here 5x divided by 5 equal to 45 divided by 5. Dividing both sides by 5. यहाँ पे 5 मल्टीप्लाइड हुआ है x के साथ, तो हमको वैल्यू निकालना है x का वेरिएबल x का वैल्यू निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे 5x है, तो 5x को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 5 के साथ. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 5 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो उसका सेम नंबर दैट इज 5 को डिवाइड करना है राइट हैंड साइड में भी. तो यहाँ पे 5x डिवाइडेड बाय 5 होगा इक्वल टू 45 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. यहाँ पे 5 and 5 cancel, then x will be 45 divided by 5 is 9. 5 multiplied with 9 is 45. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू निकला 9 years. तो how old is his sister? तो we have to find the Amit's sister's age. यहाँ पे अमित का सिस्टर का एज है 4x. तो his Amit's sister age will be 4x, that is x is 9 years. Then 4x is 4 multiplied with 9 years, that is 36 years. So Amit's sister's age will be 36 years. Now we have to solve question number 3. Question number 3 is the length and breadth of a room are in the ratio 7:6. Find the length if the breadth is 12 meter. Suppose the length and breadth of the room will be 7x and 6x. Length of the room is 7x and breadth of the room is 6x. Length is 7x and breadth is 6x of the room. Length of the room is 7x and breadth of the room is 6x. And given that the length of the breadth of the room is 12 meter, that is breadth of the room is 6x. यहाँ पे breadth दिया गया है 12 meter, so breadth will be 6x. यहाँ पे 6x 7:6, that is breadth of the room is 6x. So breadth होगा 6x equal to 12 meter. 6x equal to 12 meter. Now we have to solve the value for the variable x. 6 multiplied with x, we have to find the value for the variable x. यहाँ पे 6 मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है x के साथ, सो यहाँ पे 6x को डिवाइड करेंगे 6 के साथ. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 6 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में भी 6 को डिवाइड होगा 12 के साथ. तो 6x डिवाइड बाई 6 इक्वल टू 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 6. Dividing both sides by 6, we get 6x divided by 6 equal to 12 divided by 6. And 6 will be cancelled. 6 and 6 cancel हो जाएगा. That is x equal to 12 divided by 6 is 2 meter. x का वैल्यू निकला 2 meter. Now find the length. हमको लेंथ का वैल्यू लेंथ ऑफ द रूम निकालना है. तो लेंथ ऑफ द रूम विल बी 7x, that is 7 multiplied with 2. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू निकला 2 meter. So 7x will be 7 multiplied with 2 meter, that is 14 meter. So length of the room will be 14 meter. Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is in a box ratio of nails to screw is 4:7. If there are 20 nails, then how many screws are there? Let the nails and screws will be 4x and 7x respectively. In a box there are 4x and 7x nails and screws in a box. If there are 20 nails, यहाँ पे nails है 4x, तो 4x there are 20 nails, so 4x will be 20. Given, this is given, 4x is 20, nails is 4x and screw is 7x. So 4x equal to 20, this is given. How many screws are there? हमको कितना स्क्रूज वो बॉक्स के अंदर है उसको निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे 4x इक्वल टू 20, दिस इज द इक्वेशन. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व द वैल्यू फॉर द वेरिएबल x. x का वैल्यू निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे 4 मल्टीप्लाइड हुआ है x के साथ. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू फॉर द वेरिएबल x, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड बोथ साइड्स बाय 4. यहाँ पे 4x डिवाइड होगा 4 के साथ, सो 4 and 4 विल बी कैंसल, दैट इज x. x इक्वल टू 20 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. यहाँ पे 4 डिवाइड हो रहा है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तो सेम वैल्यू 4 डिवाइड होगा 20 के साथ राइट हैंड साइड में, तो 4x डिवाइड बाय 4 इक्वल टू 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. Now 4 and 4 cancel. Now we get x equal to 20 divided by 4 is 5. So now how many screws in the box we have to find out. So there are 7x. 7x is the screw. Number of screws is 7x. So 7x will be 7 multiplied with, यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू निकला है 5. So 7 multiplied with 5, that is 35. 35 number of screws in the box. Now we get there are 35 number of screws in the box. Now we will solve question number 5. Question number 5 is increase 250 rupees in the ratio 7:5. And second bit is decrease 440 centimeter in the ratio 8:11. Increase the ratio, that is 7 divided by 5 multiplied with 250. And 5, 250 will be cancelled, that is 50. 5 multiplied with 5 is 25, that is 5. 250 divided by 5 is 50. Now 7 multiplied with 50 is 350 rupees. Now second bit is decrease 440 centimeter in the ratio 8:11. So decrease will be 8 divided by 11 multiplied with 440 centimeter. Now 11 cancel with 440, that is 11 multiplied with 4 is 44. So 8 multiplied with 40 is 320 centimeter. So decrease 440 centimeter in the ratio 8:11 will be 320 centimeter, and increase 250 rupees in the ratio 7:5 will be 350 rupees. Keep learning, keep watching, and please visit my blog mathsgrade.com. Link is in here. https www. This is my blog link, and join my Telegram group. This is my Telegram group link. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.